to build 90-piece police truck chasing.
I like jewels, but
Oh dear. You stole Axel's jewel. Bring it back. Don't go down the slide now. Whee! No, he's getting away. That was awesome. All right, bro. So what do we got today? Is that Lego set? Yes. So we have the Lego Junior's easy to build 90-piece police truck chase-it. It's got a cool dirt bike there, and then it's got the police like off-road vehicle there. That is so cool. It's got a jail in the back too. Dude, this is gonna be a real quick build, you guys. And we're on
it shows you how to build it.
Oh yeah, really easy to build, it says. Yep. Now you can build much more difficult sets than this, but it doesn't matter, you guys. Easy to build, hard to build, we still have lots of fun. We're gonna make a really fun show. And look, we have the playground right here. We're gonna do the epic police chase on the playground. Maybe they'll go down the slide. Yeah, Maybe they'll go on the swing. We'll see. All right, bro.
Maybe we'll go on this.
Yes, Axel built this really cool car. Let me see it, let me see. That thing is so cool. Hey, can I see that go down the slide first before you start building?
Look.
You wanna get it? Okay.
Rockets can go.
Dude, so Axel, he put these rockets on the back of this car. And this is what we do with our Legos. These wheels are from one of Axel's construction truck sets, and those deals
No, it's from the, remember the Technic mine dozer set?
Yeah, it's a construction truck set. Yep. And then he uses his imagination to rebuild them. All right, bro, I'm gonna push it down the slide. You ready? Steady. Look out. You caught it. You don't want it to break, do you?
Let's do it.
Ready, go. It didn't even break. That's awesome. That's built really well, bro. Nice job. All right, get to building the police set, okay?
Abracadabra, alakazam. Abracadabra, alakazam.
Oh, dude, look at this. That is so cool. Bro, so are you finished? Finished with the set? Look at this, you guys. Look at his nose. He's holding the pan on his nose. He's not holding it. It's a magical trick. All right, so you guys, we have the police truck here. Let's see the jail in the police truck. So you guys, you just open that up, and that is the jail. And then that dude is in jail now. Upside down. That sounds terrible. And this is the deal Axel built. We got another crook robber dude from another set, and we put him on here at Axel's fire vehicle here. And then we have the police officer here driving the police vehicle, and that's like a little GPS map in there. That's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna open the scene, you guys, with the policeman here. He's gonna be cooking his meal right here, maybe his breakfast. He's gonna be cooking right here, and he's gonna get a call because the playground robbers are at it again, right? They stolen a jewel. All right, let's get to it. Cooking your breakfast there, Mr. Officer, police officer. Let's see. Oh, don't burn yourself. Don't fall in your pan too. Oh no, you're in your pan cooking. What are you doing? That looks delicious.
Egg and French toast. Hey, stop stealing
Oh, sorry. Okay. He's upside down in his cooking pan. No, you're gonna cook yourself. Then we'll all have you for dinner.
I'm gonna cook myself.
Hey there, Mr. Robber. How you doing, man? You're just riding around on the playground? Nice, nice. Doing some flips there. Can you do a wheelie, Mr. Robber? Wow, look at that. Nice work. Backwards wheelie, forwards wheelie. Can you ride up that wall there? See how expert you are. Wow, nice job. You did a backflip. Hey, can you go down a slide? Ooh, let's see you do that. All right, are you ready to go down the slide? Ready? Let's see you do it. Go. Woo! You landed on your side. Drive on back up.
Bang.
Is that your jewel, Axel? Is that your special treasure? Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, don't put it in your mouth. They used to have like ring pops. I think they still have them. They look just like that, but it was a lollipop and it fits on your finger and you could suck on it. So what are you gonna do with that jewel, bro? It's super special. You gonna hide it right there?
Yeah.
So no one can find it?
I'm just gonna cook a little bit.
No robbers can find it?
No.
Nope, okay.
I'm just
Better hide it good, bro.
I'm just gonna kind of cook it.
Okay. So that looks like it's like a frying pan with wood chips. Like no one would ever think that there's a super secret jewel inside, would they? Maybe you should stash it in that corner so no one ever finds it.
Axel's hiding the jewels. When he leaves, I'm gonna go steal it.
Ready, set, go.
Axel, now's my chance. I'm gonna go steal it. Hook it up right there.
Mr. Robber, you have that hitched up on your head. That's pretty cool.
I just got my head off. And
Are you stealing Axel's jewel?
Yes.
Mr. Robber, what are you doing that for?
I like jewels. Bye-bye.
Oh dear.
Now I gotta figure out how to get out of here.
Meanwhile, at the police station.
This is so hot. Oh, because of the blanket. Turn the stove off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Mr. Police Officer, did you fall asleep while you were cooking your food? In your food? Try it out. Let's see if it's good.
I ate all of it.
Is it good?
I ate all of it.
Alright. Now he's cooking himself. Now you're cooking yourself. What are you? You're silly. But Mr. Police Officer, Axel's jewel just got stolen by the crook on the dirt bike.
Oh no, I need to go get it. Need to go get it. No!
Go now, go now. He's up on top of the playground. Go, 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 quickly.
Oh no, the police officer's here.
Hey, come back here. Come back here. I'm gonna get you. You stole Axel's jewel. Bring it back. Bring it back. Get back here. I'll catch you if it's the last thing I do. Roll over, roll over. I got you now, I got you now. Don't go down the slide now. Come back here. Just a garbage truck, doing my rounds. Looking for garbage. Oh, hey, look, there's a slide right there. That's interesting. Hey, what was that? Something just flew off the slide into my garbage bin. Oh man, what in the world could that be? I guess I have no choice but to go down the slide after him. Here I go. Oh my goodness. Wow, I just landed on this garbage truck. Huh.
Something just went in my garbage thing.
Something just went in your garbage bin?
Yeah.
Ha, it must have been that robber. Hey, can you dump him out? Dump him out, I'll catch him. Ha, there he is, get him. I gotcha. Now you stay right there, I'll put the handcuffs on.
I gotta run away.
Come back here, come back here. Stop, no, where you going? Get back here. He's getting away. Come back, he's so bouncy. Get back here. I gotcha. Okay. Put these handcuffs on. Yep. There, that's better. Now you got your handcuffs on. So where's Axel's jewel? Hey, get up. What are you doing? Where's Axel's jewel?
I lost it when I fell in the garbage truck.
Oh, hey, garbage truck. Do you have a jewel in there?
I don't know.
Can you dump it out and see? Come on,
Okay.
let's dump it out. We're gonna dump it out and see. Let's see here. Any jewels? Any jewels? Oh, there it is. The precious jewel. Oh my goodness. I found the precious jewel. Look. Oh, I'm gonna bring it to Axel, its rightful owner.
Huh? Where's my precious jewel? Where's my precious jewel?
What's wrong, Axel? Is your precious jewel gone?
Huh?
Oh dear, what happened to it?
I don't know.
I know what happened to it. Here it is, Axel.
What happened?
The crook stole it. He stole it, but I got it
You
back
must
for
have
you.
been watching me.
Here you go, buddy. Take it.
Okay.
Take it. Hey, can you take me down the slide? I want to go down the slide. Okay. Whee! He made it. He landed it.
Nope.
Dump him out.
Screaming goodbye.
Dump him out.
Dump me out.
Dump him out. Dump him out.
What's in
It's
there?
so stinky in here.
What's in there?
P.U. That was a stinky garbage truck. Oh man, I'm back in jail.
And I'm hungry.
And I'm hungry too. Well, I'm hungry too. After catching you, man, I worked up an appetite. I'm gonna have to cook some more. Come on.
Can I have some?
Well, I guess so. I'll give you a little food. That's only right. You at least deserve some food.
Turn it on the oven. Ooh, too much right there. Yeah. Ooh, this bagel's done. Bagel's done. Yeah, here's a bagel. Yum, 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 yum. That's all you get. Hey, look, there's a radio. If only I could call my buddy to come and call him to come and get me out of this jail.
Hey, who is that? Who's calling in here?
Hey, it's me, the dirt bike robber. Will you come get me out of jail?
Sure, I'll be right over. Where are you?
I'm by the police station.
Okay,
He
I'm
caught
coming.
me.
I'm coming.
He wants to blow me out.
I'm coming. I'm coming to get you, buddy. I'll get you out with my flames. Hurry, hop on before the officer
Burn
sees
the
you.
handcuffs out. Quick.
All right, here we go.
What's that?
Too late. We escaped. Hooray! All right, you guys, so now to end the show, we have the police officer here, and we have strapped a rocket to the Lego car. What do you think is gonna happen? You know, it's not an exploding rocket, it's just gonna shoot it forward. I don't wanna hurt this Lego set. But we're gonna see what happens, you guys. Are you ready? You ready, bro? You ready to light it? Light that rocket. All right, bro, light it and then stand back, okay? All right, get back, get back, get back, get back. That was awesome! That was so cool. Watch it, look at it go. Look at it go, look at it go. Is that crazy? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at the sparks flying out the back. Wow. He's like, see ya, going on my rocket ride. Now it's really starting to burn. It didn't start going fast till it like started going off the screen. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool.
Now brown blue.
Wow.
How about we tape the brown blue to the top and see what happens? To be able to go faster.
All right, you guys, well, I'm a police officer, and if it wasn't a good enough thrill for me to just be chasing robbers all day and risking my life to help folk like you, well, I decided to get an even bigger thrill. I'm gonna strap myself to a rocket here. What do you think? Here we go! Alright, you guys, well that was super cool. Remember, never ever mess with fireworks like that. I had to dissect one to do that. I'm an adult, I know how to do it. You guys never ever do that. Don't ever play with fireworks. Alright, we'll see you later. You guys get out. Use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing. Just use your imagination. We'll see you later. Bye!